What's going on, family? Welcome back to Keish Positive Vibes. I want to say thank you for those of you that continue to check in on me, especially when you're seeing been online, so you know something's up, right? So thank you for those that continue to check in on me. Thank you for those that continue to like and share all my videos. Hint, hint, like and share all my videos, right? So thank you for everyone. I hope everyone has an awesome and amazing day. So today's video, right? Because I gotta get it out. You know, you sometimes you procrastinate. It's like, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it later. But this video, something is telling me that I have to get it out right now, right? Because it's amazing. Like once you start to raise your vibration, get on certain frequencies, you start to hear things. People start to manifest into your life. Just different. How do I say this? Different messages start to manifest into your life, and you start to really listen and hear it because you start to raise your frequency. When I was on a call with my mentor last night, he mentioned that, and I was like, man, that's crazy, right? So then today, it's amazing we start to align. Okay, the word for that is going to be alignment. When you start to align, you start to hear things that's been there the whole time, but now you're more aware and you start to pay more attention to it. So we spoke about when the people that he wanted me to, that he studies, and I was like, oh, it's crazy because I think stuff doesn't align. I was like, literally, like a couple of days ago, I had pulled down a book for this particular person, and I was supposed to go over it, but I didn't. So when he went over it last night, I was like, oh, okay, I'm back on track. So then today, when I was scrolling through my YouTube, you know, it gives you the recommended, the new for you, and just everything based upon what it is you normally look at. So it came across this video. It's Mike Murdoch, right? Came across this video, and he spoke about some stuff, which reiterated what I just heard last night. That's how I know I need to be listening. And that's how I know that I am listening now. So I hit up and I was like, hey, I'm listening. So last night he spoke about something. He was like, yo, what are your goals? So I told him a few of my goals. He was like, okay. And he was like, well, you know, the thing is, it's not necessarily about the money, because it's not. What it's about is the feeling you get from that, the experience you get from that. Because everything in life, you're like, yeah, it's all about the money, but it's not. Because what happens when you get it is it's not the money, it's that feeling that you get from it. When you're able to make a certain amount, it's the feeling that you get to pay off your loved one bills. It's a feeling that you get to go into a store and get whatever you want to. It's a feeling that you don't have to check your bank account every single day. It's the feeling you get from it. So it's not really about the money, right? And when you're able to change the feeling and understand that you control your feelings, a lot of stuff will start to happen, right? So this whole weekend, right? For those who don't know, my other grandmother passed, right? So I have two grandmothers. I was living a life with two grandmothers. Next thing you know, one passed, and then over this past week, another passed. So it's like, well, damn, what is happening? I haven't reached my goals yet, and the people that I'm doing it for, they're passing away. So that really hit me hard, because it's like, man, Keish, you gotta get on it, right? So then when I was watching this video, listening to this video, he spoke about pictures and feelings. He was saying you're one, I'm so paraphrasing this, so hopefully I got it right. It's like you're one picture away from that feeling that you want, right? So I was looking Saturday. Saturday was my grandmother's funeral, my grandmother's homegoing, right? And I've just been crying that week. Just that's why my eyes probably look a little heavy. I just been crying, just things have been going on. So I'm sitting there crying. I'm at her funeral, right? I'm crying, right? And then I open it up. And what I see here are these pictures. I see the picture of me and her. You see how gorgeous she is? See that? The picture of me and her in these pictures, she's smiling. These pictures automatically, when I looked at it, gave me a feeling to know that, wow, yes, it's okay to miss our loved ones, but you can change that feeling in a point of time with a picture. Just by me looking at this picture, it brought calmness to me. It brought peace to my heart. By looking at these pictures and seeing how at peace she was in all of them, to seeing the lives that she changed in all these pictures, right? So then it made sense that when Mr. Murdoch spoke about you're one picture away from that feeling, because at any point in time you can change a feeling by a picture, right? Instantly, every time I look at this, I'm like, man, yes, I miss my grandma, but I know that she left behind some wonderful, wonderful memories, and it brings that feeling of peace to me, right? Also, too, it comes with your goals, right? We're going to switch it. It comes to your goals. So that feeling that you get when you look at that car, you see that car in the street, you're like, man, whoo, I can't wait until I get that. You know that feeling that you get? It's all about a feeling. So if you feel that way, you know that, hey, that's going to be your car. That's going to be your dream job. That's going to be your dream business, whatever it is. Print it out. print it out, right? Because all about the picture. The picture will give you that feeling. That feeling will now start to bring certain people, certain situations, certain circumstances to your life. It's going to help you bring it forth. But it's all about that feeling first. So today, your whole task is to print out a picture, right? Or look at some pictures. Maybe you lost someone lately. Look at some happy moments of them, right? And we're not going to keep it, because your girl been studying some stuff, and man, I got some stuff I want to share with y'all, but I want to keep these videos kind of brief. So today, your focus is to print out a picture, right? If you're struggling with someone that you lost, print out some pictures of some happy moments that you had with them, right? And start to focus on that, because they want you to keep pushing forward. They want you to keep pushing forward. Don't just stay stagnant. They want you to keep pushing forward and carrying forward their legacy, because that's what it's all about. Okay? And for those of you that want to reach certain goals, today, make sure you print out a picture of one goal that you want to achieve. If you want to get that BMW 7 Series, right there, that's me. Yes, I'm printing that out today, right? So whatever it is that you want, a certain house type, right? Because, maybe you can't get that particular house. Maybe you got a certain house, that where that house is built is what you want. Print that picture out and go after it and just develop that feeling. Look at it. Look at it every day. Be like, man, yes. And then that feeling is going to start to bring forth the certain things that you need that's going to help you reach that goal. All right? So remember, pictures, feelings, you're going to reach that goal. All right? So all this week, I'll be sharing different tips on you all. And it's supposed to be 5 minutes, but we're going to say it's going to be between 5 minutes and 10 minutes, okay? Because I got a lot of information to share with you all. But I just want to make sure I had got this video out today. So also too, shout out to my cuz. She won this shirt in a raffle. See that? Just Cure Breast Cancer Awareness. So shout out to all the survivors out there. My definitely support, blessings, and speedy recovery for those that are actually going through it as well. Always feel free to reach out. I might not talk much, but I'm a great listening ear. So I want to wish everyone a blessed, prosperous, and wonderful rest of the day. Remember, your homework for today, get to that picture. Get that picture, get that feeling, see it, feel it, and you're going to start to see different people are going to start coming to your life. Different situations will start to just be made aware of you, and it's going to push you towards your goal. All right, so that's all for today. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to edit this video, or I might not, I don't know. But either way, make sure you like and subscribe and share this video with a friend who you know it'll help. And I'm looking forward to just sharing my whole journey with you all over these next, I think it's like 80-something days, okay? Well, we're going to keep it further. But for the next 80-something days, I'll be sharing my different journeys with you. So that is all. Have a blessed, prosperous, wonderful day. And I will see you all on the next episode of Keish Positive Vibes.